In this video we are going to make a kunai with paper and cardboard. Later I will be showing this to my friend Namikaze Naruto to rate it. Check out his channel for anime statuses. Now let's begin the video. Let's start this with our classy 3D puzzle assembling technique. Now here is the clear 3D puzzle for it. This is the base and this is the upper ring, and this will be the part which makes it 3D, and after assembling it looks like a kunai, isn't it? Pretty nice. But it still needs some adjustment, so this is how it looks after adjustment. Now the only thing remaining is just to cover it with paper and then later add the ring. Covering this thing with paper was an absolute pain, and especially this circle thing was really pain. Sorry guys, I was not able to record the part in which I assembled the ring and then covered it with paper. Sorry for that. Now let's see how it's looking after sun drying and painting. I wish it looks nice. Oh, pretty nice. If you want to make your kunai having this real knife like pattern, there is one extra tip. So that extra tip is, for painting you can either use white paint, but I would suggest you to use this white cement, because after painting the white cement will shade its particles, hence giving it a real knife like pattern. Now the time has come to show this to my friend Namikaze Naruto. Hopefully he likes this and promotes this in his channel.